This is the 2026 Lamborghini Temerario. Represents a bold new chapter for Lamborghini as the brand moves deeper into the future of performance and electrification while staying true to its extreme supercar DNA. Expected to officially launch in 2026, the Temerario is positioned as the next evolution of Lamborghini mid-engine supercars, combining dramatic design, advanced hybrid technology, and breathtaking performance. In this video, we will explore the exterior, interior performance, and expected pricing of this highly anticipated machine. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Lamborghini Temerario is instantly recognizable as a Lamborghini, yet it introduces a sharper, more futuristic design language. The front end is aggressive and low, with slim, Y-shaped LED headlights that give the car a piercing, high-tech expression. Large, angular air intakes dominate the front bumper, improving cooling and aerodynamics while adding to the car's dramatic presence. The hood lines are sculpted and purposeful, directing airflow toward critical areas and enhancing downforce at high speeds from the side. The Temerario looks compact, muscular, and extremely planted. The roofline is low and sleek, flowing smoothly into the rear section, while sharp character lines cut through the body to emphasize speed even when the car is standing still. Large forged wheels fill the arches perfectly, and carbon fiber elements are used extensively to reduce weight and improve performance. The rear design is bold and theatrical, featuring hexagonal design elements, a wide stance, and an aggressive diffuser. Slim LED taillights stretch across the back and frame the central exhaust layout, giving the car a powerful and unmistakable Lamborghini identity. Moving inside the cabin, the 2026 Temerario blends race-inspired design with modern luxury and advanced digital technology. The interior is driver-focused with a low seating position and a cockpit-like layout that makes every drive feel special. Premium materials such as Alcantara, carbon fiber, and fine leather are used throughout the cabin, creating a balance between luxury and performance. The digital instrument cluster displays performance data, navigation, and drive modes with crisp graphics, while a central touchscreen handles infotainment, vehicle settings, and connectivity features. Is expected to equip the Temerario with the latest version of its infotainment system, offering fast response wireless smartphone integration and customizable driving displays. The steering wheel is flat-bottomed and packed with controls, allowing the driver to adjust drive modes, suspension, and performance settings without taking hands off the wheel. Despite being a hardcore supercar, the cabin still offers comfort, refinement, and attention to detail, making it usable for longer drives. Now, let us talk about performance, which is where the Lamborghini Temerario truly shines. The 2026 Temerario is expected to feature a hybrid powertrain combining a high-revving twin turbo V8 engine with electric motors. This setup is designed to deliver extreme power, instant throttle response, and improved efficiency. Total output is expected to exceed 800 horsepower, allowing the Temerario to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds. Power is delivered through an advanced all-wheel drive system, ensuring maximum traction and control in all driving conditions. The hybrid system not only boosts performance, but also improves low speed, drivability, and responsiveness. Electric assistance fills torque gaps and provides instant acceleration while maintaining Lamborghini's signature sound and emotional driving experience. Advanced aerodynamics, adaptive suspension, and rear-wheel steering are expected to be part of the package, ensuring razor-sharp handling and confidence. At high speeds, whether on road or tracking, terms of pricing, the 2026 Lamborghini Temerario is expected to start around $300,000 depending on market and configuration. Higher specification models with additional carbon fiber, performance packages, and customization options will push the price higher. As with all, Lamborghini's buyers will have extensive personalization options, allowing them to tailor the car to their exact taste. In conclusion, the 2026 Lamborghini Temerario is shaping up to be one of the most exciting supercars of the decade. With its aggressive, futuristic design, advanced hybrid performance, stunning interior, and unmistakable Lamborghini character, it represents the perfect bridge between tradition and innovation. Expected to launch in 2026, the Temerario proves that Lamborghini can embrace electrification without losing the drama, emotion, and raw excitement that defines the brand. If you are a fan of modern supercars, this is one machine you should keep your eyes on, because the Lamborghini is not just the future of Lamborghini, it is the future of extreme performance.